CES just around the corner, and yet another leak. This time from Sony. Now, they did briefly post some images and details of their new TVs that are being announced at CES 2020, which is on the 6th of January. Unfortunately, it was only for a few minutes. Somebody obviously realized their mistake, and they were very quickly taken down before anyone really could take any images or captures or anything. What we did manage to scrape from all of this is that there are some new model numbers. Now bear with me. For the LCD range we have X800H, XH80, X900H, XH90 and X950H, XH95. Not difficult to say at all, are they? Now those will replace the XH80, the XG90, the XG95. The XH80 is going to have a panel range between from 43 inches to 85 inches, which is huge. The XH90 is going to be from 55 inches to 85 inches, and the XH95 is going to be from 49 inches to 85 inches. No real news on capabilities, new tech, new wow, none of that yet. The OLED side with the A8H, really Sony? And A9H, AH9 models. They've only got two sizes. They only announced two sizes. Well, not announced, but they only sort of had two sizes, and it was the 55 inch and 65 inch, but I imagine there will be on the OLED side something much bigger too, perhaps a 77 inch. In terms of tech or what we can expect to see, I would imagine we're going to get Dolby Vision, maybe HDR10 plus as well, maybe either or perhaps. I would, at least on the higher end TVs, expect to see HDMI 2.1 as well. I think in a lot of TVs, certainly the higher end ones, in fact I would expect it in the higher end ones of all the manufacturers, that we're going to see 2.1. We really should see that. And also on the AVR side as well, I really expect to see from mid-range up at least 2.1. So those are the news on the Sony leak. Sadly, no images, so you've had to endure looking at me for a little bit longer than perhaps you anticipated. And some very confusing nomenclature, which is even harder to say. Isn't it odd that things that reference words or things you say are actually quite difficult to say themselves? Anyway, subscribe if you haven't. Thumbs up if you feel like it, and of course if you want to know more news, give me a thumbs up. Next week at CES, at the end of each day, as well as the leaks I can manage, well, not leaks, but the information that I feel pertinent that I can throw out there quickly, I will do. But at the end of each day, I will do a sort of a review, an update of that day, and what are the key things that I believe sort of really took me by surprise, and I was really excited by. So look out for those as well. So thanks again. See you next week, and it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be exciting.